out there. Gun Psychiatrist here with another unboxing video for Sonoran Desert Institute, and in this semester we're doing a scope mounting lab, which I kind of already broke into the box, but that's all right. We're gonna show you what we got. I haven't really touched anything. I just want to see what was in it. And of course, from last semester we had a gunsmithing tools lab that I don't know what they sent me because I never opened the box. I've just been using all my gunsmithing tools I've accumulated over the years. So we're going to go ahead and get started and show you what we've gotten. I'm now through 16 weeks of classes. I'm working on week 18 now. So this is 18 weeks into the program, and we're going to check out what we got. All right, so this is the box from this semester for the gunsmithing tools lab, or no, sorry, not the gunsmithing tools lab. This is the box for this semester for the scope mounting lab, and this is what we got. So it looks like they sent us a AIM Sports Scout Scope. Comes with rings. Get that out of the way. Yeah, pretty nice. Nothing fancy. I mean, it's made in China. Probably about cheap as you're going to get, but that's alright. I'm not complaining. It's a free scope. Looks like it has illumination. There you go. Not bad. Pretty cool. Alright. I think I might mount this on my son's 22. Let's see. So that's cool. We got one of those. This looks like a lapping kit. I've already kind of seen it, but that's alright. So you have a scope lapping kit to lap your scope rings with, which we're actually going to be showing you a video on that here soon. You have your alignment punches, and of course these would be used to check alignment. And then this is your actual lap itself, which you'll actually use for lapping. Kind of cool. What is this, a 30 millimeter? Yeah, this is a 30 millimeter kit. Pretty cool. So it's just a hair bigger than 1 inch. And it looks like we have some, oh wow, they sent some Vortex high scope mounts. That is pretty nice. So we got some Vortex high scope mounts. That's pretty cool. And then we have a Weaver rail scope mount for, looks like a 1022. Pretty sweet. So that was all for this box. Then we're actually going to go through last semester's class and unbox the goodies we got for last semester. I'm at a mystery for what they really are. So let's check it out. Alright, so let's see what they sent us. That's sitting in here for like 8 weeks. Cool. Gunsmithing Tool Lab. I think I already downloaded and printed this book. Yes, I did. Perfect. That's it. So, let's see what we have here. Oh, cool, a Harbor Freight file set with all the files just jumped all over each other. Isn't that expensive? Well, beggars can't be choosers, but I thought I'd get something a little better than Harbor Freight quality for $18,000 course. And now, some needle files, probably from Harbor Freight Tools. Imagine that. $2 set. Gotta make money somehow, I guess. And what is this? Grace USA. This actually looks nice. So let's go ahead. In there. I actually need some more needle files, so that'll be handy. I mean, a cheap file can last you forever. It's just Harbor Freight, really. All right, make sure you guys can still see. All right. Yeah, cool. I'll have a new gunsmith tool hammer. Got some punches. Grace USA punches. Got some brass punches. That'll be nice to have. That's a nice set of punches. And what else do we have here? Look at that. How you daring? Grace USA screwdrivers. Okay. I won't have much use for those. What happened to the... Supposed to have like a kit that it comes in? Guess not. Okay. So, have some screwdrivers, which I don't think I'll have much of a use for these. But, cool. Well, the hammer will definitely come in handy. I don't know what I'm going to do with these screwdriver bits and these punch bits, but that's alright. So, that has been the unboxing for the last 2 classes. Nothing else new. Looks like they like to send a lot of cheap stuff, obviously. Man, that's kind of unfortunate. But that's alright. I have my own stuff, so you know what they say, 2 is 1, 1 is none. It's better to have doubles than... Yeah, all these files have just been dulled, sitting there rubbing on each other. Well, Harbor Freight has a lifetime warranty, so at least I can take it back to the store and swap it out. Cool. Well, hey, that's been it for this unboxing. So that's it for this last semester of classes, and of course this new semester. That's it for the unboxing. So far, I'm a little, for an $18,000 program, I can't believe they're sending you cheap crap from Harbor Freight. And I'm not knocking Harbor Freight tools; they do make some good stuff, but that's on a poor man's budget. I mean, come on, $18,000 for some classes is should be getting a little bit more out of that, but that's all right. I'm cool with it. I got my own sets of files that I've been using for gunsmithing for years, so. Way I see it is 2 is 1, 1 is none. Now I have a nice set that's probably going to go back to Harbor Freight and get replaced because these shipped like that. So all they've been doing is flopping around on top of each other and dulling themselves. So I'll take those back to Harbor Freight and get a new file set or maybe upgrade it with whatever. And hey, it's unfortunate. I guess you get what you pay for these days. But I wish I kind of had some options. I know there's some pretty nice gunsmithing file sets on Brownells that are, more tailored to this, but that's all right. I'm not complaining. It's kind of cool that I got some free stuff, whatever. The hammer, some of the gray stools are nice. I really won't need the screwdrivers, but, for somebody out there that doesn't have screwdrivers, that's going to be a pretty handy deal for them to have. So that's kind of cool. Punch sets are always taken. Punch sets are always needed, for that matter. I can't tell you how many punches I've broken over the years, but it's definitely nice to have some extra punches. But anyways, that's it for this unboxing. We won't have anything probably for another 8 more weeks on unboxing, or at least 6 more weeks for sure. So till next time, we'll see you around. Hope you enjoyed the video, and for more information about Sonoran Desert Institute and their classes, go online to sdi.edu for more info, or to sign up and get involved and start learning. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.